Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another money-making tips video. If you enjoy content like this, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, paid surveys, app reviews, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video. That way the YouTube algorithm notifies you whenever I upload new content. So in this video I am reviewing Quartr app. This is on iOS. It is in the United States. It's in some foreign countries, but it's not completely global yet. However, from what I have read, the company does have plans to eventually have a completely worldwide presence. So if you're in a different country, you might still want to watch this video because it might be coming to you fairly soon, from what I've read. Now, the way Quartr works is fairly simple. Why is it called Quartr? You get paid a quarter, 25 cents for every feedback you do, for every little questionnaire you do. Now, that might not sound like a lot of money. Well, a quarter's nothing, right? But you have to remember, these are extremely short surveys. These are not long surveys. These are things that are literally 2 or 3 questions, and that's it, okay? So the reason why this app is actually fairly decent is because of how quick it goes. It's a great app to earn a little bit of extra money when you're on the bus, when you're on your break at work, when you just get home, when you're doing something else and you're a little bit preoccupied and you don't have time to do a full survey. If you're already doing paid surveys or affiliate marketing or e-commerce or anything online to earn money, this app can be a decent app to supplement your income a bit more just because of how quickly you can do the survey. So you could go through that website, make change together, get paid for feedback that informs brands and businesses how to make the products you love better. How does Quartr work? In today's distracted digital world, it's harder than ever for businesses to connect with consumers thoughtfully. With the Quartr app, companies have a simple way to talk to individuals and reward them for sharing informative feedback. Our authenticated community members earn cash for their intention and thoughtful feedback, and businesses gain quality data and insights to make smarter decisions and build stronger relationships with their customers. So if you're wondering, well, where's the money come from? It's fairly simple. Companies need to know what products to build. They need to know that. And a lot of companies are willing to pay a little bit of money for that, and that's where this app comes in. It basically just connects you with the company, and you could earn, again, 25 cents for every feedback you do. Now, think about that. If you could do 4 every minute, really, then you're going to be making $1 a minute, okay? You're going to be making $1 every 60 minutes as long as you do 4 25-cent feedbacks every minute. Now, of course, there is a limit to how many you could do per day, and that's going to depend on where you live, as well as how much of a demand there is at the time. Of course, during like the winter time, around Christmas time, companies are usually spending a bit more on marketing and things like that and getting feedback. So around those times, it'll probably be a bit busier. But again, you can't just do it constantly all day long. Eventually, you'll run out of surveys or feedbacks that you could do, and then you have to wait a day or two until there's more that come in, right? So it's all about supply and demand. The company cannot guarantee you that there will be options for you for that day. It all depends on what businesses are willing to pay, right? It's simple supply and demand. Overall, this is a decent app. It's not the best app out there. I'm not saying it is the best app, but what's nice about it, what's really nice about it is how quickly you can get things done. A lot of these paid surveys, you have to sit down on the computer and dedicate 5-10 minutes to do. And yeah, you'll make a little bit more, but again, that's time out of your day. With this one, you could do it on the bus ride, you could do it waiting for lunch, you could do it in line at a store, right? There's a lot you could do here, and it definitely can fit into your side income routine. You're not going to get rich off it, but it can be an okay source to make a little bit of extra money on the side, guys. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it, and of course, I will catch you in the next one. Have a great day.